Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. Make sure the scanner has power and the POS or app is open to the barcode entry field. Once done, switch the scanner to active or trigger scanning mode and check the LED or beep. Position the item so the barcode is flat and unobstructed. You want clear contrast, not glare. Keep your wrist steady and approach at a slight angle so the beam reads across the full code. This reduces retries and speeds checkout. You now refine the scanning motion and why it matters. Aim the beam so it crosses the entire barcode horizontally. Partial scans fail. Keep the distance recommended by the scanner, typically between 2 and 12 inches, and move slightly forward or back if the device can't lock on. Make sure you wait for the confirmation cue, such as a beep or green light, and verify the item appears correctly on the screen. If numbers look off, rescan immediately to avoid pricing errors. You finish by confirming each scanned item, checking quantities and applied discounts, then proceed to payment. If a barcode won't scan, first clean the label and reorient the product. Sometimes flipping to the other side or stretching the code into view helps. When that fails, key in the UPC manually to keep the line moving. If the problem persists across many items, log the scanner ID and time, replicate the fault, and notify support so they can repair or recalibrate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.